Good evening, everyone. So, waiting for everyone to join, okay, and then we'll start.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Smaya.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Anuj.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sadvesh. I think so.
Okay.
So I got the
Hi, sir. Good
write-ups.
evening.
Good evening, Chandra-Bhushan. So I received
Good
the
evening,
write-ups
sir.
of so many students. Yes, Ayushi, good evening. So I think I'm allowing you to share your screen, okay? And I'll give only 7 to 8 minutes or 10 minutes of time in each individual, okay? Because it depends on number of submissions we have. According to that, we have to plan the class, okay? Fine. So I'm just giving you a option to just share your screen. Wait a minute. Yes, I have given you the option to share your screen now. Yes, so I think we'll start in few minutes. I think who will start first? I think so. Can I have the sequence? Yes, can I have the sequence, please? Mr. Anuj, please
Hello.
kindly mute. Yeah, Mr. Anuj, please. So I think Mr. Swadesh, I think, can we start with you?
Yes, sir. How I can share? See, I do not have laptop, sir. Okay, sir. It is possible through is mobile or not, sir?
Yeah, mobile, I think you can open. Yeah, in mobile phone, you can
Okay.
also open. You can share your screen. Go for sharing screen option. You can. So after Mr. Swadesh, I think who will start? Because we need a sequence so that everyone would be ready with their stuff. Raksha, good evening.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yes. So done with your write-ups, Raksha?
Sorry, sir. Not done.
Why?
I'm not done.
Second, can I start, sir?
Yeah, second and Mr. Anuj, you can. Okay. Third. Yes, third. Because according to that, we need to manage the time. Okay. But Raksha, we have a sufficient time to complete, I think. What I'm expecting from my students, you need to complete your work on time.
I am sending, sir, both of them. This activity and this Saturday activity, both of them.
Yes. I got it, sir, actually. So I think I'm muting everyone right now. And I'll only unmute to Swadesh. Yes. Okay. So I have muted everyone. Ms. Swadesh, I am unmuting you now. So we may start with you now. Okay. Swadesh, yes. Mr. Swadesh, you can unmute yourself. Swadesh, you can unmute yourself and you can share your screen as well.
Okay, sir. It is not supporting, sir. That I'm not able to on the screen, sir. Yes, I'm trying.
No, just go for share content. I think if you can see on your mobile phone.
Yes.
Okay, go to share content.
Oh,
If you go to share content, there's an option would be screen share. Yeah, start broadcasting might be. It would appear start broadcasting.
praise Allah. Some error showing, sir. It's not.
Okay, let me share. I think I think I have your write up. 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 minute. So, Mr. Swadesh, yeah, so network system. So, yeah, I will share this. 1 minute. I have to start sharing my screen then. Because problem is that like we have to manage the class as well, like admitting the students. So that's the reason I'm not
Yes,
sharing
sir.
over here. Okay, just a minute. I'm sharing that. Yes, you can see my screen, I think now. Yes,
Yes,
is my
sir.
screen
Yes,
visible?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually,
Perfect.
this is basically, actually, sir, good afternoon to all. Actually, I am working in a power sector group, okay, being a BHL employee. Since my joining in BHL, I am only working in a power sector group. Actually, I am having idea only that project execution idea, okay, sir.
Mhm.
This, whatever I am mentioning here, ED means executive director, who is
Mhm.
sitting at the HQ, headquarter. Headquarter means maybe in Delhi and Calcutta like this, okay, sir. We BHL having a 4 region for a erection group, like our corporate office is the New Delhi, Sripur,
Mhm.
okay, sir. And
Mhm.
this overview is only for particular project. Okay, now I'm working at somewhere in Assam, and Namrup project is the near to the this your that Nagaland border. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello. Actually,
Yeah, yeah.
this and during the project execution, we have some organization overview, and in this organization overview, and inside there will be one general manager who is the heading the project execution. Okay, under
Mhm.
this general manager, there will be one same construction manager. This construction manager will again there are so many that HOD. HOD means head of the departments. Okay, sir.
Mhm.
This HOD that there will be that civil HOD and mechanical HOD and electric, and this the system wise we have some HOD system. Okay, sir. And then the all HOD will reporting to like upward communications. It is directly linked to the your construction manager, and construction manager will again upward to the general manager. Okay, sir.
Mhm. Mhm.
And then every the construction manager through under construction there will be some this HOD head of the department. Say for example civil department. Then civil department will initiate the construction side of the, okay, sir. As per
Mhm.
layout, if there is some design deficiency, again this the HOD will write to the unit base. Say for
Mhm.
we are having there are a lot of manufacturing units like BHL Bhopal and Hyderabad, like this Haridwar, we have some manufacturing unit. Okay, sir. If we have
Mhm.
found some discussion in the drawing and design, then we will communicate directly through email. Okay, sir.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
by writing the email, we'll get confirmation within the day or after 2 days like this. Okay. And every HOD of the electric, say for example, civil department, then civil department having some subordinate like engineer and supervisor. Okay, sir. For
Mhm.
executing the site activity job. Okay, sir. And
Mhm.
this engineer and supervisor having a directly contact to the your HOD of each of the HOD department. Okay, sir. Then
Mhm.
under the supervisor and this engineer, there will be some subcontractor. I have not mentioned here actually. Okay, sir.
Mhm.
At a project site for execution of the any task and job, will deploy some will develop some sub vendor. Okay, sir. Who is having some resources like this? Everything I have mentioned here, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then USAM means USAM and unit commissioning manager. After construction of all complete equipment, like say for example, civil, mechanical, and electrical, we are supposed after placing of the all equipment, major equipment, then we will go for the commissioning activity. Okay, sir. It's called here. This USAM is heading of the all commissioning activity like this. Okay, sir. Then there will be a quality and safety engineer also. For safety, will for wearing the some helmet and safety shoe as per as per requirement of the project execution job. And again, quality will agree the all FQP field quality plan as per people whether the all equipment quality placed by the as per field quality plan or not. Again, will justify. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
This likewise is one of the pro. How I can say this actually is
Yeah, please, please. Yes.
then basic purpose of this overview, sir. The every network will is over every communication is already concluded in this overview. Okay, sir. Each and every corner we have a communication gap either by letter, either telephonic conversion, either by email. We have a dialect conversion, and it is this execution process the closed loop, sir. Okay, sir. After studying of the initial stage, it will come to the closed stage wise, and we have to communicate, and there will be now and then every morning there will be a meeting, and the meeting will be headed by the GM. Okay, sir. And some this project execution program will be prepared by the construction manager under consultation of the planning manager. Okay, sir. Then this final program will be sublet to the individual SOD, respective SOD, and SOD will again disperse the whole program to the engineers, concerned engineers to the respective area. This proper purpose of the commissioning diagram is the okay model message passing between object and roles that depict deliver to the function of the use of the Kazan individual. Okay, sir. This diagram of the communication and actually how I can define that actually.
Yeah, it is actually a bit technical actually. If I better to say,
Yes,
actually, it's very
totally
technical.
Okay, sir. So actually, during that any project execution, there's every suppose any in a organization, this organization manner wise, there will be upward and downward communication built must be there. Okay, sir. And then
Yes, yes, definitely, yes.
among the engineers of the subsection, there will be horizontal communication. Okay, sir. Day to day during the execution time, we have to use the horizontal communication, and there will be diagonal communication will be there. Say, for example, any suppose some electrical engineer having some problem, we will tie with the mechanical, then we will consult to the diagonally. Okay, sir. After considering of the SOD, I think that's enough.
Yeah, actually, we can understand. Like even we discussed in the last session about the types of communication.
Yes, sir. Next time I will try to explain the fluently in other section. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Then,
definitely.
I'll try to come through in my laptop. Then, okay, I'm trying to this presentation. Okay, sir.
Yeah, perfect, Mr. Sudesh. It's like your nice presentation. It's a bit technical for the people to understand, but I can understand everything, whatever you're explaining.
Okay,
really good, actually. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay.
Yeah, sure. So I think Mr. Anuj now. I think we need to allow Mr. Anuj. You can share your screen. I'm unmuting you now.
Okay.
Yeah. After Anuj, I think who will start? Mr. Anuj, you can unmute yourself and share your screen. And after Mr. Anuj, who will start, I think? Can please raise your hand, I think, so that would be easy for us to recognize. Yeah, it's visible, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Basically, I
Yes,
am a
yes.
manufacturer. Sorry, I prepared the analysis report for the MIS report
Hmm.
for the Honda car manufacturing company.
Hmm.
This type, they will use the MIS in the different applications.
Yeah.
Because Honda company has the staff, then they collect the data, all data regarding the market and all the things.
Hmm.
And because of that, this data used by the manager and company owners for the future plans.
Hmm.
Company owners make a decision on what type of car they have to make and how much quantity of car they can make in the next month or next 5 years
Yes.
or any years. And how do they actually they plan for the application in the just a minute, I can show you. Second one is, you see, this is the application where the MIS used by the Honda.
Okay.
Different type of such like help for the decision making.
Hmm. Hmm.
Honda collecting the valuable information from the transform it to the rational report, which otherwise the usually the important to the manage volume of the data manually. They have collect the data and put in the MIS and revert the perfect report and capable to converting data into the useful information which can be employed in decision of the making of the cars.
Hmm.
And also assist Honda in the providing performance reports, financial statement, which is functional for the planning, supervising, and implementation of the plans for the manufacturing.
Hmm.
And also for the communication side is all they have used and used in the environmental management side. They have used for the implementation of the ISO and also certification for the company.
Hmm.
And for the information side, they have also used to enable the Honda to review the data, use of the information and achieving the company objective or the goal for the beneficial for the company.
Okay.
And the resource management they have used and also management method like the information provided by the MIS help the managers to look the area or department where there is need for the improvement. Means if some department having the some lacking, then watch out by the top management also by the MIS through MIS and correct it. Take the corrective steps. Okay, sir. And also for the decision side, make use to some sorts of the decision when gather information from the MIS systems. Like that, so many applications they have used to improve the company and take the right decision at the right time.
Hmm.
And regarding the advantage and other thing, just a minute, I can show you. Advantage size. By the using of the management information system, manager can have an overall brief look at the company by the MIS. Then they can use these strategies to compete in the market. Because of the MIS, competition is too much, and the right time they have take the decision, then definitely improve the production side and quality side. And company owner can make action in quick time. This is most important because top management is watching the system, then definitely downwards people work perfectly or efficient. I think so. And also they can make better communication within the company, so the company can now better manage different department and coordination within company become better. Also quality side is also good, because of right time you take the decision, then definitely quality is good. Because
Yes.
everybody working with the right way and perfect way.
Yes.
And
Yes.
for the limitation and the advantage, this is a very critical aspect, because
Hmm.
if you go for the MIS, then MIS system itself have the cost and
Mhm.
also time taking system. But overall, if you implement this one, then definitely for the product price and profit side, you look, then definitely it is negligible. I think so.
Yes. Yes. I
But
think it depends on the operation and the size of the company actually.
that depend on the
Hmm.
growth of the company also, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Growth, if the growth is much better, then this is negligible. This amount is
Mhm.
negligible and time is negligible.
Definitely. Yes.
Then the disadvantage is also converted in the advantage. It is my
It's
opinion.
more about opportunity cost actually for the company,
Ji, ji,
where
ji.
how they can manage. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
Then this is the uses of the MIS, perfect uses of the MIS by the Honda company. This is my conclusion. This is enough.
Yes. Yes. Perfect.
Any question of all of them, sir? Any?
Yeah. Let me unmute. I think everyone. So if you have any query, I think you may ask. Let me unmute everyone. I think. Yeah. I have asked all to unmute. Yes. Now you can unmute yourself, please.
Any question, dear friend?
I don't think so, but you should ask actually.
No, thanks.
No, well, because of the perfect MIS work, then definitely companies grow. Definitely companies grow. Any company, sir, not a Honda. Small nowadays, small company also go for in
Yes,
that
sir,
way.
yes. If MIS system is perfect, then everything will be gone perfect. Exactly, okay, sir. It's very nice presentation.
Pardon.
No, if any organization MIS system is perfect, it will work perfect. Okay, sir. Your
Okay.
presentation is very fantastic. I like this. Okay.
No issue, sir. Because overall, we are working for the company, sir.
Yes,
We are
yes,
working for the company. Then system.
We have to follow the MIS system actually.
System will by the system companies work.
Yes. One organization must follow this MIS system. Okay, sir. I'm
Yes,
saying
yes. Because
very
if the system is perfect, then
yes.
then easy going the companies run
Yes.
and
Without
perfectly run.
MIS, without proper MIS system, one organization cannot be survived actually. Okay, sir. Very fantastic, sir. Okay.
Okay,
No, that is
sir.
actually what I can reflect from you people, because you people all are experienced and very sound when
yes,
it's come to professional knowledge. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
Anu sir, like I just want to tell you something about your your presentation. Definitely, you have a lot to say, because whenever like we interact, whenever we talk, I will
Yes,
just have a humble request to you. If you can just focus more a bit on your English communication.
yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, just only a request, sir. Actually, because you are in the stage of your life where you achieved
Okay.
almost everything. Okay.
Yes.
But just to, you could say, polish yourself, it would be far better, I
Yes.
think, for you to present yourself at a
Okay.
global platform or at a national platform,
Sir,
because he has
sir,
a really fantastic knowledge.
Okay.
Sorry, I
Okay.
interview. Sorry for interview.
Yeah.
It's come with the discussion. My
Yes.
friendly request to the Swadesh, please go for the discussion to each other.
Actually, what happens are I am sitting now Assam. And mostly we used to speak in the Assamese and Hindi only here. Okay, sir.
Yes.
There is a but I've studied in Kurukshetra, RSC Kurukshetra. Long then.
Actually, everywhere there is an only
presentation side,
use in Hindi.
presentation side, always please open your mind and speak.
Yes. I will try, sir. I will try. Okay, sir.
Definitely
Okay.
result come.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Because what's the beauty of Mr. Anuj is actually he always try actually because he never
Yes,
let
yes.
down. He
Yes,
always
yes.
try that he want to prove himself always best on day-to-day basis. Because first day I think when I interact him and the
Yes,
day
yes.
which he is interacting right now, there's a huge difference in that when it's come to his communication, when it's
Yes,
come to
sir.
knowledge, definitely is there.
This Onu sir is always presenting very nicely. I have seen.
Yes, yes,
in the
yes.
beginning.
Sir,
I
And
my
he's
agree.
very
first word, first word is the positive thinking.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes,
Yes,
If
sir.
you go the
I will
positive
try now.
thinking, then definitely confidence is built up. Your confidence definitely built up.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
So Swadesh and Anuj has done, and who else, please? Next. Yes, yes, Mr. Anuj, please. Sorry, Mr. Let's next one, please. We are done with Swadesh and Anuj. Who else? Guys, please try to one thing. It's very important to understand. We are discussing business communication. Now, business communication does not mean that we need to speak in English only. Okay, if you're comfortable in your local language, in Hindi as well, or in the combination, doesn't matter, but we need to speak up. It's very, very important. And whatever you could say task which I'm allotting to everyone, it's just for your improvement. Okay, there is nothing you could say added benefit which I am getting out of it. Okay, so that's the reason, because last time again I told you, because if you're not interested for the class activities on Saturday, definitely I'll go with my pace of the lecture. Because I only got 2 submissions as of now. Yes. Because presentation is, yeah, please, Somajit.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, meanwhile, I was disconnected. So actually, I do not know what's the procedure of presenting. So next week, if I want to present, will you please guide me in WhatsApp?
Yeah, sure. Because I'm sending this activity, I think at least 4 to 5 days back. I think like today itself, I'll share the next Saturday activity.
Yes, sir. I missed 2 classes meanwhile because of my previous institute. So that's
Okay.
why sir, present, and I'm interested to present after listening to Anuj sir and today's presentation. So WhatsApp, sir, can you please guide me?
Yeah, sure. Usually what happened, like every Saturday, usually we are planning, because this is, I think, second exercise we have since sanction of this particular subject.
Yes, sir.
So we always give a topic and you need to prepare a write-up, because I think not next Saturday, but next to next Saturday, I'll give a presentation topic to you as well. So you all
Yes.
need to prepare PPTs as well.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
And
so
it has to be
topics.
done, can it be done with mobile or some any other
Yes.
device?
Perfect.
Yes, because
It's up
I'm
to
doing
you.
my classes in mobile. That's why, sir, I'm asking.
No, it's
Uh,
completely perfect.
And sir, one more thing, that is, sir, can you propagate us the news of the webinars, as because we are doing a professional course and we are all are doing a management course. So, sir, if you get the news of the webinars, will you please circulate among us, means the webinars of other institutes, so that we also can participate. Now, like if there is paper presentation or if there is just webinars, so we can participate there.
Sure, definitely I can. I have lot of stuff for that.
Yes, sir. So it will be convenient for us, like we are doing this activity class on Saturday. So it will be convenient for us to organize one WhatsApp group, sir. So you
Sure.
can, and it will only the admin will be able to send the messages and will be able to see, means the webinars, and so it will be very much convenient, sir, for us. Those who are freshers, like I am a fresher, so sir, it will be.
Yeah, perfect. I'll do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, guys. Anyone else? I think those who want to present. If not, then definitely I have a exercise which is based on 2 minutes discussion on a particular topic. Okay, I just want to check the communication skills. That's nothing else for this particular subject in this month. Yes, any other one if you want to submit. If not, then definitely we will have a GD sort of session today. Rahul, yes, please tell me.
Yes, sir. I want to share my screen in my first.
Rahul, your voice is not clear. It's really echoing a lot. A lot of disturbance from background.
Is it not clear, sir? You're clear.
No. I think it's not clear, Rahul. Okay, guys, so I think let's move to the one more very interesting exercise we have today. Okay, that I'll give a topic randomly to anyone. You have a 1 minute time to think upon, and you need to speak up on that. You need to put forward your points, and someone has to contradict on that. Okay. Yes, Virenz.
Sir, will it be like a debate?
So sort of debate, we can say. Sort of debate, we can say. Yeah, sure. So I have very because see, this topic discussion is more about, because we are discussing business communication this time. That's why we are more concerned about how someone initiate, how someone contradict, how someone communicate, what are the pause, the you could say the pitch of the you could say communication. Everything matters a lot. Okay. So that's what exactly we want to discuss over here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I think I have a very, very good subject to discuss today regarding social media. The social media, like making people antisocial. Social media making people antisocial. And I think Raksha will start with that, whether she agrees on that or not. And definitely then we'll contradict on that. I think so. So Raksha is there in the class.
Yes, sir. Sir, will you please pardon the topic once again?
Social media making people antisocial. Okay. Social media making people antisocial. So that's what we have. And yes, please, Raksha, if it is possible for you. So 1 minute of time, I'm giving it to you.
Yes, sir. So just a second. Okay, I'll start.
Yeah,
Hello?
definitely. Definitely, Raksha. Yes, sure.
Yeah, so social media, I do not agree to it that it makes people antisocial, because the in situation that in today's situation, in this pandemic situation, we are more socialized. Previously we are not that much socialized because we don't spend that much of time. We most of the hours, like 10 to 12 hours, we are in office. But yes, we do surf a lot on social media for any sort of news or whatever. So I don't think it's making people antisocial. And there are benefits, there are advantages and benefits to it, because on social media uh, there are so much of advantages in that. Like we can surf anything about our courses. If we want to do any education, further education, so we can have a search, we can search for a good institution. And if someone wants to go for any extracurricular activities, like any for dancing, like those who want for Zumba classes, good and best Zumba classes where it is. So yes, we can search. And a lot of things can be done, like YouTubes are nowadays in this situation. Like our mother, or we can also say, they're so used to it. Like you in YouTubes, they just search for any recipes and this they make it. So I don't think it is making people antisocial, and I do agree with it.
Okay, but I think, Raksha, let me contradict on that. I think we'll take the input from the other ones as well. Don't you think so? Is it more about the psyche nowadays? Like if you can think, like even the advertisements are also there, that whenever we are using social media, there should be a, you could say, social media break or social media fast on weekends, or we can say the people do such things. The question is that because people have that addiction nowadays, and you can see that the traditional way of interacting, like for example, you have 5,000 followers on Instagram, and you do not have even a single friend to whom you interact, those who can help you out in your tough times. Don't you think so? This is somehow lacking in the traditional way how we approach to the friends as compared to the social media we are interacting with each other.
So through social uh, through yes, through social media, yes, we are interacting. It's not that it's very harmful to it. but I guess because some of the websites are, we are not able to, I mean, open, some of the websites are already blocked, so
Hmm.
I don't think that it is harmful for the people. Yeah, I say that in free time we do surfing and chatting and everything, but I don't think so. It's
So
somewhere.
one more thing, like, because as you can see right now, the student and child, like we talk about teenagers and all these things, they are, I think, not much open with their parents like earlier it used to do so. Okay, because of the, you could say, the curiosity, the loneliness they feel actually, because they do not have much friends among, you could say, in surrounding of them. So don't you think so, like this loneliness, this psychological issues, why we are so much addicted to that? Like you can see that, like when we talk about ourselves, we were only addicted to the outdoor activities. But now the children are only busy in the YouTube, in PlayStation, that's somehow making them addicted toward this, all this social media application. And is it somehow actually also impacting their mental health somehow?
Yeah. Yes, sir, but uh, I think, like, I also think that parents also should interact with their children also, right? So
Hmm.
they must have the time limit of spending, like you are having your online classes, you can take the mobile phones, but it doesn't mean that you are giving him or her a mobile phone with games and everything, what we say, installed in it. So
Hmm.
definitely he'll play games and whatever he want to surf on it, but I think parents also should have an eye on his or her children.
Hmm.
And yeah, in I can also say that in our generation, in 90s generation, that mobile phones was not that much, we are not used to that mobile phones. And
Hmm.
so in today's generation, yeah, mobile phone is handy, but no, I don't think so, sir. Because
Okay, okay.
those who want to learn something and want to do anything, they can go in a right direction, and that too parents should have an eye on them.
One more thing
and
I
they
just want
and they
to
should
catch in. Yeah, sorry. Please, please, please.
and and they should be little bit strict to them, that only indoor games are also not good, outdoors are also sometimes good for the health and mental health also.
Sir, give I one input, sir, man.
Yeah, sure. House is open.
Sir, best example you see that everyone sending the good morning, good evening on the mobiles,
Hmm.
and come in the front, then
Hmm.
nobody regards.
Hmm.
Means good evening, only mobiles. Many time people know, but in front, when in front of both of them, then regards is nothing.
Hmm.
And
Yeah, even
But
it
also,
is.
I agree
Hmm.
with you, Anuj, because just they are the forward messages, they doesn't want to send
yes,
good morning to
already,
everyone. Just they want to send to the few people, but just why to type again? They said it for all everyone in the family or it will be friends.
अच्छा मोबाइल के चक्कर में लोग वाह फैमिली भूल गए। आप पांच
Hmm.
बच्चे पांच लोग बैठे होंगे, सबके हाथ में मोबाइल होंगे
I agree.
Yes,
और
yes,
एक दूसरे को
Anuj sir,
पहचानेंगे नहीं तो
I
we
agree.
agree on you, but
पर्सनल रिलेशन खत्म हो गया।
Sir,
I
I just
agree with
want to interrupt.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yes, please.
With your permission, sir.
Yeah, please, continue.
Hello. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
please. Yeah, you're audible. Please continue.
I exactly agree with what Raksha ma'am said just now. But due to this widespread of this social media, presently, I'm speaking about the scenario that is taking place around me, taking as an example. Because of this excessive usage of this social media, we find that there is a competitiveness. There is a competitiveness that is being formed between the peoples. People
Hmm.
is exposing the things which are sometimes difficult for us to achieve, and these things are being exposed in Facebook, and there has been a competitiveness starting from this teenagers to adult. This competitiveness is, because there are so many external inputs which could be done in Facebook and which could make which could make people look different, look attractive, and not only this looks I'm speaking about. I'm speaking about the success of the people. Like there is so much of widespread of these things that suppose someone gets employed to an organization. Previously we were not able to have a knowledge of that, but means presently we could get a knowledge of that. Even every moments of the life is been captured and it has been exposed. Yes, it's good to capture and keep it within a family or within a small entity, but if it is being exposed in the outer world, then there is always been a competitiveness, a mentality of competitiveness. The recent studies and the surveys on these has shown that there has been a competitiveness which has been, although been means considered to be harmful for the psychological well-being of the people, but these people is getting more and more prone towards it because of the pros and cons of these type of social media. People is getting more inclined towards it. So this is one of the disadvantage of the social media. What you say the topic about the topic, so it's one of the major disadvantage.
Yes, sir. There are advantages and there are disadvantages also.
Yes, advantages also and disadvantages, both of them.
It's more about like the topic which we have raised. Definitely, there would be some two sides of that coin we are talking right now. The next topic which I want to check it over here. Okay, as we always discuss about this work-life balance. Okay, is the work-life balance a myth or is a reality in Indian scenario? Is it possible to maintain work-life balance?
Sir,
That's yeah. 1 minute. Just let me conclude only one line, because usually what we see in Indian scenario, people having certain issues, even like we discussed with Mr. Anuj in the last session as well, that whenever you are working in the office, you should be loyal to your office. But when you're going back to home, you should not touch your mobile phone or your laptop just to do the office work. Somehow, it is imbalancing your personal life, and that may be the reason because of certain, you could say, issues between husband, wife, friends. We talk about these are the basically social challenges or social, you could say, illness which you are facing right now because of the issue of work-life pressure or professional, you could say, work pressure we have. Don't you think so? Is it a myth?
sir,
Yeah.
should I say?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Sir, if I speak about the work life and the general upgoing of our life, there always is a balance because this is being taking place for years. But presently, if I speak about the present situation, now it has been seen that previously, whether it's any kind of organization, whether it's a public service organization or a private organization, it has been seen that people is getting more inclined towards it because of a return. If the expectation of the return is limited to us, if it is been confined to our requirement only, then such kind of things would not have been arose. Like if I say about the previous days, when labor law was implemented, when there was no such means organization. Yes, once there was always been a there is from the past only, there is always a pressure on the employee or worker to work. After that, the labor law was implemented, and there a time schedule has been fixed up to which every person could work, and we are having Sunday as a holiday. So there is a reason why this has been done, or why Saturday has been made half day. Means like in our West Bengal, the Saturday is half day, and we get means holidays in a vacation or something like that. So this has requirement to get rid of a monotony. So this has requirement. If we work throughout and there is no means recreation around us, then it will not only hamper our means body physiology, but also it will it will hamper our psychological well-being. Not only that, nowadays, because of the extra load, we have also heard about the extra load. Suppose if we do this much of work in some more time, then we'll be getting some extra wages. This takes place in mostly in the worker division, not in the higher level division. This might be taking place in higher level division. I don't have such experience because I'm a fresher. So since it is been limited to worker people, so these things hamper not only their personal life, but also afterwards, means before we could see that people used to work till 60-65 years, which made the government to take some remuneration difference with the age. Means now the age has been of the teachers. Like if I speak about the teachers, even they are also workers, they are also working in an organization, they are also employee. If we speak about the teachers, so it has been extended from 60 to 65, because they have the most of it has been seen that most of the people have the capability to teach up to 65 years of age. But if the form of teaching is been made such a way that they have to teach the student in the age of 60 up to 16-17 hours, it will become impossible for them, and it will they will not be able to teach and make the students understand about it. Same about the doctors, same about the people who are working in the various organization, corporate sectors. It's same for this. I don't know what's the age limit in the corporate sector, might be 60 or something like that, but there must be a limit which should be maintained. Mostly in the government organization, we see that there is an existence of unions, or there is the existence of means one hub which work for the workers benefit and for workers. So in a private organization also, there must be an existence of such things which could control and works as a threshold, so that there is no such things should not means occur only.
Yes. Okay. Anyone else, please? I think I want to contradict. Yes, students.
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Anuj, please.
Always me. Come, other one, sir.
Pardon?
Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Basically, the balancing for the company and personal for the social sites. Then you restricted themselves. It is my opinion, sir. If you,
Okay.
because all things available on. Hello.
Yes, you're audible. Please continue.
All thing is available on the network. And
Okay.
but depending upon the your decision, balancing by the decision themselves, both of them, company or
Yeah.
personal life.
Yes.
Nobody,
Definitely.
because
Anyone else? I think yes.
Sir, I am audible.
Yeah, you're audible. Please.
Proper audible, na sir?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
yes, proper available.
Yes. Thank you, Anuj, sir. In my opinion, there is personal and professional life having some balance. It starts with your liabilities. Liabilities means your age journey. When you are initial stage in your life, that time they're having no any liabilities, so that time you enjoy your life with your organization. And after marriage, you are just your liabilities is going very high, and that time also the responsibilities and the earnings related issues you face. So that time you face start that there is no any social life we have, there is no any other so these three phases are depend on person to person and the abilities of the person who take it as a right way or negative way, second. And then the third phase is that it is balanced, no way, because you work for earn, And if your work is related with your just like to say, I want to say that the your profession is choose by you. Definitely you enjoy your work. And if you choose your profession due to any other external load or certain circumstances is done, and you choose your profession, that time definitely always you miss your social life and other ways. And this, in my word, this is a balance.
Okay, fine.
Yes, Mr. Rahul, you are absolutely right, Mr. Rahul. But in that way, but decision by taking the person to person, definitely, because mind is different, na.
Yes, sir. Every time the situation is different, and person to person it is very.
Definitely, sir.
Yes, thank you.
But
Thank you, Rahul.
but decide by the person themselves. मतलब अपने आप ही decide करना है आपको क्या क्या करना
Yes,
है.
sir. Yes, sir. Sometime person decide, and sometime I think maybe that your life is decide.
हाँ, yes.
Actually, yeah,
Yes.
what used to happen actually in society, somehow we are more impulsive of the external world. Okay, and when it's come to the management or the balance between these two, we always talk about some society impulsion is also actually one of the key factor in the work-life balance.
Exactly,
Because,
sir. Exactly.
yeah,
Exactly.
so that is somehow like we can see that the culture, like we talk about the work-life balance in India, is very different because we have some different social norms. Okay, and that we need to fulfill. That's a need of the hour. We can say need of society. We can say right now. Something like, for example, if you talk about the work-life balance in Mumbai and work-life balance in a particular tier 2 city, it's
Sir,
huge difference actually.
Please, I want to add just within
Yeah.
this, because now
Yeah.
in Mumbai, your time maybe gone only in traveling near
Yes,
about
yes.
2 to 4 hours. There
Yes.
is no life.
Yes, sir. I also
Or,
say the
and
same.
you are in Indore just 30 minutes only.
But
Yes,
they
sir,
balance,
definitely.
Life
they
of India.
balance,
Yes.
but they that person balance life.
Yes.
Exactly, sir. I'm sorry,
Exactly.
It's
Exactly, sir. Tier 1 city.
Exactly, sir.
Yes, sir. The tier 1 city and tier 2 city, there are much difference because in tier 1, they actually value the time.
Hmm.
I have also worked the 5 years in the Mumbai side.
Hmm.
They balance,
Yes,
sir,
that's
they balance.
definitely. So it's up to
And that is
individual.
something-
It's up to your circle actually, up to what extent you are giving the priority.
Definitely, sir, definitely. Yes,
Because
sir, yes, sir.
sometimes what happen, you prioritize such thing which is very unprioritized for you. And in order to, you could say, keep that unprioritized, you could say, option and keeping in priority, definitely that will completely imbalance you. And that is the issue which will summarize, like when from your family, from your society, we can say, the things may be very unbalanced at that time. Okay.
Sir,
One last,
sir,
yeah, please, yes.
Sir, just one question to ask you. Sir, what's the, as I had said about the age limits. So, sir, what's the age limit in a corporate? Means I'm speaking about the private organization. What's the general age limit? Means what's the last age up to which a person could means be employed or could work?
See, actually, it depends on type of employment you have. Okay, like usually it's 60 years. It's the max to max you can serve. And like if you want to be, you could say as an added member, as a, you could say, external member, like what the Ratan Tata is doing right now. Okay, because he is the member of Tata.
Yes,
Recently,
sir.
like once the Cyrus Mistry take over, okay, then he was working as an external member and giving guidance session to the Tata Group. Okay,
Yes,
but
sir.
now he has taken over completely because it depends on what sort of role responsibility is provided by the company to you. According to that, your liabilities, your control would be there
Yes,
towards the
sir.
organization. So usually 60 is the period of time where you are more efficient about it.
60,
Now,
60
actually, central and public sector organization having a 60 as limit.
Hmm.
But nowadays, this some of the public sector organizations
Hmm.
now trying to reduce their this retirement level
Yeah.
actually because of the
58.
this,
Hmm.
yes, yes. Now trying to reduce the less than 60 also.
Yeah.
Shape into BHL. Now BHL organizers having a surplus manpower because when they are the present competitive market, we do not have a project actually. We are not getting the order after forming of the government of the Modi Sarkar. Okay, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
There's there's environmental norms, and then the Modi already nullified that the thermal power project. Okay.
Hmm.
Actually, the thermal power project was the main core sector of the BHL earlier.
Hmm.
Now we are facing problem in BHL. So our organization is trying to reduce the manpower. Okay. So
Yes. Yes. Yes.
and now offering also BRS also after 50 years. This also like the other organizations, although BSN already done actually. I think you must be aware about that.
Yeah. 58. I heard actually it is 58
Yes, yes,
now.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now,
sir. And basically, 58 years is in many companies,
It
and
was,
also in
it was
Pitampur also.
earlier 50 years only. Earlier it was 50 years,
Yes.
58 years.
50 years nowadays.
Yeah, yeah.
But
Now,
sir, in our state, it has been increased. Means in some public service means organization, it has been increased from 60 to 62, and mostly
yes,
for
yes.
the
In
doctors.
state government, like in Assam
Yeah,
also now.
West Bengal.
They
I'm from West
increase.
Bengal, so same
Yes,
thing.
yes. West Bengal and Assam. In Assam also now trying to already money increases up to 62 years retirement age.
I want
Yes,
to
yes.
interrupt everyone. This type of situation only come before any elections only.
Yeah, yeah.
Also in MP
Yeah,
two
this is
times,
the main.
also in MP two
yes,
times,
true.
this situation happened. Also in maybe in West Bengal, also in Assam also.
In Assam also. Yes.
Exactly.
Correct. Correct. Exactly.
Otherwise, everywhere having a there is some norms that's 58 or 60.
Or
But
50 or 60
election,
years.
it's yes, due to election, it's may vary. And for the education education sector, it's increased 2 years is the 62, and many others, and the IMs also having 63 age criteria.
Yes, yes.
And for the advisory level or for any advisor level and some top management level, they are having some extended program is also have for 3 years to 5 years. So may it's extended up to 65 to 68 years.
60 years. Yes, yes.
Yes, friend. Just
Depending on
last
the-
one
depending on the
topic.
capability of work.
Yeah.
This
Yeah. One last topic. I just want to take it over here. There's one last discussion, which is based on the obligation of social media platforms. Okay. That I just want to raise one last discussion on that. Please, I think, Mr. Ansari, mute yourself. Mr. Anuj, please kindly mute yourself. Yeah, only one last topic we are covering now, okay, for the day. That is about the obligation towards social media, or we can say free speech. Don't you think so? Because of this particular popularity of Twitter, tweeting on very minor issues in India, if we talk about Instagram post, Facebook post, whatsoever it could be. Don't you think so? Freedom of speech is obligated in India, or it is being controlled in India? Yes, very debatable topic actually.
Must be controlled, sir.
Yes, it is controlled. But is it a
Yes.
negatively controlled or positively controlled? Actually, that's the question.
sir,
Positively
sometimes
controlled.
Sir,
Okay.
according to me, as Anuj sir said, that sometimes it is positively controlled and sometimes it is negatively controlled, because there is always been a requirement of control and threshold. So sometimes ये positively controlled होता है, sometimes negatively होता है.
No, that we got to actually take in point. Like recently, if you can see that there are a lot of issues related to this policies and between the government and all social media platform. They are actually having some disputes when it's come to the policies, okay, regarding the privacy, regarding the protection of data. So what exactly? What exactly? Because sometimes what happens, like for example, if I want to raise a concern, raise a query, and if the Twitter or any social media platform considered as a particular spam, they will delete your account, first of all. and they will bar you from using that particular email ID or from the ID which you have entered. Who is controlling
sir.
somehow? Yeah, that's the freedom of speech we are talking right now.
Yes, sir, this freedom of
So
speech
many,
is being
mails is come. You see the Yahoo mail,
Mhm.
then it
Yeah,
is
sir, please, please.
positively controlled.
Okay. Yes, anyone else, please?
sir, according to me, means these things means widespread of a news or whatever it
Yeah.
is, what upbringings. If you speak about, if it is being limited to one place and if it is not being widespread, then there is no use of it if people is not being able to know because of this Twitter and Facebook or anything or any social media. Even now, means what Raksha ma'am said that about YouTube, it is been
Mhm.
widely used. According to me, it has been widely used by the people, but mostly it has both negative and positive impacts. How
Mhm.
this positive impacts is being directly related with the means administration, with the policy, with means policymakers, but this negative impact is being means confined to the social means the people who are being using the app or people who are means the users. So this negative impact has more impact than this positive impact because this impact is making most of the times we are seeing a post or something is been happening, it is making a lot of chaos. The Twitter post is making a lot of chaos because we are being means we take the negative things more with more interest. So that's why these things happens and this becomes means so much widespread among the people. So if this has to be controlled, the means the organization which is running this kind of social media sites should take an initiative that what should be like if we post anything in a group. Suppose we have a group. One second, sir. Sir, suppose if we post anything in a group, mostly in Facebook, then there is an admin who takes the decision that whether this thing should be posted or this thing should be barred from being posted. So there should be such a thing so that the organization which is running this kind of social media sites should have a means analyzation of these things and then the post should be made. I'm not
Yeah.
speaking about whether
Hmm.
it is towards inclined towards one side or the other side. Beyond that, there should not be any kind of controversy because everyone should have a right to expose or to say what is being going
Hmm.
on. So this is
That
the
is
freedom of the speech. This is the freedom of speech. So this should not be, people should not be barred from doing this, whether it's a political issue or an administrative issue. The people should not bar. And this is a chance by which we can say about because of these social media sites, one of the most advantageous thing about this is because of these sites, the people who are in the upper level, who are in administration or who are in policy making places, they are able to know about this. Even as because we all common people are being using it, and even if not they also, the other people who are close to them, they reach the news to them, and this could be a very good thing for means common people, because this could be afterwards be analyzed and other decision could be made. Even these recent events are the example of this, sir.
Yeah, basically, like if we'll conclude about this freedom of speech, and as we have to understand, or each and every individual have to understand, there is certain self accountability which you need to maintain.
Yes,
Okay,
sir, exactly,
each and
exactly.
everyone is accountable toward what to post, what not to post, in which context to post. Okay, it's very important because I'm not
Yes,
taking
sir.
any this matter into political way actually right now. But
Yes,
important
sir.
thing is that, like, even though if I'm using my social media platform, definitely there is some sort of, you could say, ethics, or some sort of, you could say, rules which you need to keep
Yes,
in
sir.
mind that whenever you are exposing yourself on a media or on a
Yes.
social media platforms.
Yes, sir.
Perfect,
But sir,
perfect.
but sir, this analyzation should go on. Like if there is a post that is being made, if something like like if it is being something different which is creating public disturbance, then we find that people report it or some steps are being made. So similarly, this thing has to be there. There should be a threshold that there will be which post has to be made and which has not to be made, because we know that we have the freedom of speech, but it should not be such that it hampers other people well-being. So
Definitely.
that's the thing that has to be there.
Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for our discussion as well. So student, like we will wind up for the day, and definitely tomorrow we have a holiday. Monday we have a doubt session only. And Tuesday I'll take the session on GD. Okay, so I'll definitely not going in depth regarding theoretical context. I'll directly actually give a topic in advance to you on Monday, which 2 GD topic will cover up on Tuesday. So be ready with that. I will give the name as well, who will be the part of that GD. If you do not want to part of that, please can let me know in advance. So that at least we need 5 people for 2 GD discussion on Tuesday, because next topic of syllabus of BC is basically group discussion. Okay. So thank you everyone. Enjoy your weekends, and we'll catch you on Monday now.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye bye, students.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye. Take care,
Take
everyone.
care.